Aerodrome Finance has become my favorite DEX on base, and honestly my favorite DEX in the entire market right now. From very early on, I put massive emphasis on Aerodrome. I never sold a single coin, and I continue to accumulate because the valuation today is still absurdly cheap compared to the potential ahead. Even after the recent correction from the local high, Aerodrome sits at a $1.05 billion market cap and $1.17 price, which I consider terrifyingly undervalued. The reason is simple. Aerodrome isn't just another decentralized exchange to swap meme coins. It is positioned as the liquidity engine of Base, and Base is Coinbase's chain. Coinbase didn't build Base just to let it sit quietly. Their clear mission is to make Base the most popular chain in the world, and Aerodrome is being architected to serve that mission, which means it will play a role in channeling massive liquidity, not just retail activity, but institutional adoption at scale. I have no doubt that today's prices, even if Aerodrome dips further, down to 80 cents in a market-wide correction, will look like pure gold in the months ahead. For me, these are ideal DCA zones. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. I'm just sharing my personal conviction. My own entry was at a $374 million market cap. I added again around the $1.02 billion zone, and if Aerodrome corrects to 0.80, I will add again without hesitation. That's how strong my outlook is on its future. Now, let's put the latest developments into perspective. Aerodrome has had a record-breaking year, posting over $4 billion in weekly volumes across multiple weeks, with nearly $3.9 million distributed in voting rewards and $2.8 million in swap fees. This is not hype, this is measurable traction on-chain. On top of that, Aerodrome's presence in the institutional world is growing at lightning speed. 6 months after its debut on Coinbase Institutional's Coin 50 index, its allocation has already doubled. Today, it sits at rank 34, and with every rebalance, it has climbed higher. This is Coinbase itself signaling conviction in Aerodrome as one of the top 50 assets institutions should pay attention to. The momentum doesn't stop there. Aerodrome is now officially live on Coinbase Prime, which means institutional-grade trading and custody of Aero is fully supported. This is a massive step because it enables compliant, secure access for investors at scale. Institutional liquidity isn't just coming, it's already starting to flow. And then comes the headline milestone. Aerodrome has just surpassed $150 billion in cumulative volume in 2025. That's nearly a 5 times increase year over year compared to the $33 billion in 2024. Numbers like these don't lie. They show explosive adoption, they show traction, and they show why Aerodrome is still in day one mode, despite already posting jaw-dropping growth. When you connect the dots, the story becomes crystal clear. Aerodrome is not priced like a protocol that is central to Coinbase's base strategy, is onboarding institutions, and has already processed $150 billion in volume. That disconnect is where life-changing opportunities come from. In my view, Aerodrome has only just begun its ascent. For those who pay attention now, before the broader market realizes what's happening, the upside could be transformative. Wealth is built by recognizing undervalued assets before the crowd, and Aerodrome, at this moment, is one of the clearest examples I've ever seen. Dr. Money Glitcher.